Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Maggi soup at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Maggi soup mix, 2½ cups of water, and any optional vegetables you prefer, like a 1/4 cup of chopped carrots or some fresh cilantro. Make sure you have a medium saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite serving bowls ready. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process for a delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by pouring 2½ cups of water into your saucepan. Place it on medium-high heat and bring the water to a rolling boil. Once the water is vigorously boiling, carefully empty the entire Maggi soup mix packet into the hot water. Immediately start whisking the mixture continuously for about 1 minute. This crucial step helps dissolve the powder completely and prevents any lumps, ensuring a smooth, consistent soup texture. After whisking, reduce the heat to low. Let the soup simmer gently for about 3 minutes. During this time, stir it occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent the soup from sticking to the bottom of the pan. The soup will thicken slightly as it simmers, developing its full flavor. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove it from the heat. Serve your delicious, hot Maggi soup immediately in individual bowls for the best experience. Here are a few tips to enhance your homemade Maggi soup. Feel free to customize it with a pinch of black pepper, a dash of chili flakes, or some fresh cilantro for added flavor. For a creamier, richer taste, you can substitute 1/4 cup of the water with milk. It makes a noticeable difference. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly prepared Maggi soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.